Hello guys, everybody on YouTube and my Freddy Glove group. This is a glove review again. This is the Boiler Room Creations by Chris Grantner, also known as RazorGloves.com. This glove's really cool. I can't even fist it. But yeah, just gonna get some detail on it. I wish that these were spring steel blades, but they're not. But they're cool, you know. Sorry if I missed anything on the glove. But yeah, this is my glove review. I don't know what glove I'm gonna buy next, but I'll probably buy one soon. I don't know who I'll buy it from or what glove though, so I'll think about it. But yeah, my glove from Chris Grantner, RazorGloves.com. Check him out. Peace.